Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using Cloudflare Tunnel for private VPS services, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize using Cloudflare Tunnel for private VPS services, begin by creating a Cloudflare account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Select the domain where you want to set up the Cloudflare Tunnel. Navigate to the Access tab found on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Tunnels to start the tunnel setup process. Select the Create a Tunnel button. Give your tunnel a name that is easy to identify. Once you have named your tunnel, click Next. You will then be prompted to download the Cloudflare daemon to your VPS. Choose the correct version for your operating system. After the download completes, connect to your VPS via SSH. Upload the downloaded daemon file to your server. Change the permissions to make the daemon executable. Run the daemon setup command provided in the Cloudflare dashboard. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate the daemon with your Cloudflare account. You will receive a unique token during this authentication process. Copy the token and paste it into the provided field. After successfully authenticating, you'll see your tunnel listed in the Cloudflare dashboard. Next, configure your tunnel by choosing the service you want to expose. Set up the desired port for your application. Specify the URI where the application is accessible. Click Save to finalize your tunnel configuration. Once saved, return to your VPS. Create a configuration file for your tunnel in the Cloudflare daemon directory. Add the necessary details, the tunnel name, service type, and the port. Save and exit the configuration file. Start the Cloudflare Tunnel service to establish the connection. Monitor the Cloudflare dashboard for the tunnel status. If successful, your tunnel will now be active and ready for use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.